Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by picking the simplest path, wired or adapter. If your Xbox controller has Bluetooth, you can use an 8-bit DO adapter for native wireless on the Switch. Otherwise, plug a USB-C cable into the Switch dock. Once done, power off the controller, plug the adapter into the dock's USB port or connect the cable to the controller, and then put the adapter in pairing mode or the Switch in docked mode. This initial step lets the Switch see the controller. Now pair and register the controller so the Switch treats it like a Pro controller. With an adapter blinking, press the Xbox controller's sync button briefly. Wait for a solid LED to confirm pairing. For wired connections, plug in and the Switch should prompt recognition. If not, open Home Controller's Change Grip/Order and press any button to register it. Make sure the adapter firmware and controller battery are sufficient, because low power or old firmware can block a successful handshake. Finish by testing every button and analog stick in the Switch home screen and a game. This confirms button mapping and stick drift. If something feels off, recalibrate in system settings or update adapter/controller firmware. Firmware fixes latency and recognition bugs. If the controller won't pair, try another USB port, a known good cable, or repair after fully powering off both devices. Key troubleshooting tip: if persistent dropouts occur, use a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.